Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing, well, Farming Simulator 20, as you can see, literally just like right there. I'm gonna start a whole new game here. You can only do Ravenport. This is actually probably one of my favorite games. Not necessarily of what I have on my phone, but when I get like an Xbox or something, which I am actually really trying to get, it'll probably be first kind of game I get. So right off the bat here, we're going to start farming. But this is a really small combine. I don't want to get up in there. This will be a realistic series, and if you'd like to see this continue, just please hit that like button. I'd like to know. And also comment. But today we are most like, here, I'll just get in the drone here. So as you can see, we have a fence there with a cedar there. We have our case magnum over there in the cultivator, and we are over here in our New Holland. I don't know much about these things, but like, well, it's called making it sound like I'm like a city slicker. But I don't know much about the numbers and stuff. Like the TX32 here, that's New Holland. Like, I don't know much about that. I just know more about the brand. Like, oh hey, that's a case. That's a New Holland. That's a Versatile. That's a Fent. But we'll just hop inside here. We have no workers currently, so we have to do this all by ourselves here. Which kind of sucks. I'm not going to do headlines because none of these fields are actually big enough. It's also just like a game. But this thing can make it up the hill here. We'll head on out to whatever it's called. So I guess we'll just do a time lapse of me doing this field here. My cousin came over today, so I just got him to do that. So while he does that, I'm probably gonna hop into the, well, there's the house, you guys. It's a pretty nice, cozy house. So it's pretty nice. I want to replace the shingles on there soon. So for that, I have to get a little bit more money, even though I do have no longer $100,000. So here's the case, Pro, I guess. Sorry about that thing that just keeps popping up here. It's just something to do with the game, I guess. It just keeps doing that, and it's starting to really get on my nerves, literally. But 7250 here. It's actually a really nice tractor. So I don't think I'm ever going to really replace this thing. But what I will do is probably just drive across here. I'm probably just gonna go replace the fend, because that's a lower horsepower tractor, and yeah, I'm not too much of a fan of fend. It's not bad, but not necessarily this tractor. Don't get me wrong, the tractor actually looks pretty nice there, though. But it's, I don't know, it's very low horsepower. It's not for me. It's very slow, so what I will be doing is not crashing into the beautiful case right there. In case you guys didn't know, Case is actually my favorite tractor of all brands. Although, from where I'm from, well, actually, pretty much from wherever anybody's from, it's mostly John Deere. But I'm a Case person. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna park right here, and then I guess sell it. So, nope, wrong one. There we go. Actually, I do want this one. I want this one. New Holland, Fend. A yes. Okay. So we now have $183,000. No, wrong one. There, we want tractors here. So this is the one we just had, 93,000, 50 kilometers is what it goes. Only 150 horsepower. Not too much. There's what we have in the farm right now. How much is this thing? 238. That's actually some kind of consideration. I don't have that money just yet, but we could actually have that. Money soon, though. So consider 117, both 127, 175. I'm probably gonna do this. That's hard. I'm gonna go with the case. I'm going with the case. $127,000 down the drain. So now we go. I want to go here. No, not yet. Where I do actually want to go is I want to get this harvester. 285,000. So I want to get that harvester yet, but I guess I will get. I'm gonna get this one. And then I'm gonna go here. No. This one, yeah. It's $9,000. Okay. So we sell that. And now we go get the new case. Maxim. Case Maxim. Oh, they wedged us right in here. Well, we just hop on in here. So, interior. Pretty good. Got the stereo there. We got the moonroof right there. Some people call it sunroof. I call it moonroof. But, yeah. Oh, look at that. We got the case logo right there. Nice, dude. Nice. I take it the speed shows up there. Okay, sweet. So we'll pull up here. And then we'll back up right in there. And what we'll do is just drive off. If there are no vehicles. Sweet, let's go. Back to the farm here. Right here. So, I guess we can go see how my cousin's doing. How much horsepower does this tractor have? That's something I forgot to... 107... Oh, yeah, 175. So... Is he full? Oh, he's full. Oh, whoops. Why didn't he, talk you in? I'm gonna see if I can get him to, pull out here. Right there. Okay. You can just watch the wheat go down there. Cool. So obviously, this will literally be the only wheat field I will ever have, because soybeans and canola, I think is what it was, go for more, like higher price, and obviously I need money right now, because you look at this thing, I need the money. Although I do have literally a brand new tractor here on the farm. So we'll get my cousin back on here. Okay, see ya. But hop back in here and we'll drive off. We'll see what else we have in the whatchamacallit, the grain bins there. See on what else we have inside there, and then we'll see if what we can sell this for. Sweet, she's filling up. Oh, she's not full though. So we have wheat. Best price is Big Joe's. Now I have been playing this game for quite some time now. I have another map. I have my own different ones. But I know exactly where everything is. And there's two ways to get to Big Joe's. Why are they stopped right there? I was gonna take the other way. Actually, you know what? I can, so I will. There we go. I have no idea why they're stopped right there, but as long as I'm not caught up in there, I'm good then. Driving over on the side there a little bit. Okay, I gotta change something here. This is really sensitive with my steering. We'll keep it 10. Steering sensitivity 50. There we go, much better. I didn't check, but oh well. I wish you could look around a little bit faster, though. Because that's a bit of a problem for me. But, I mean, I don't really care. Why? Shouldn't really say that, but it's not a big problem. It's just a little bit of it's just annoying is all. So there's a livestock market. Right there. Don't hit the sign. Okay. Slow down here. Okay. And then we'll just go right over here. Sure, here. And watch it for those traffic. They should really make this road like a one-way, because now you have to pull over to the side there so they can actually pass. And it's like something that's really annoying. And you have to, sometimes you're just about to crash. It's just, something's, Giants has got a fix on here. I think I could have taken that way, but this way is easier. Oh! I'm not paying for that bill. Oh. Whoops. Could have taken that way. Okay, now I might have to pay for that bill. Replacing their gate. We'll see. We'll see if they notice. So I'll get that there going while I talk with them here. Look at that money go up. Oh, $11,000. Sweet. I'll talk with them. Okay, so we both agreed with a price, which would be $11,000. Just 11,000 right on the dot there. But that's what we went with, and look at this new trailer. I didn't take any time to look at it or anything, but it's a nice trailer. Ooh, those are some real big tires right there. Now, same with the tractor here. Didn't take a big look at it. It's a 145. So it's not the biggest tractor or anything, but it's a good size. It's a good size. Let me tell you that. It's okay. It's not the best size, but we'll just hop right on in there, and we'll drive off. They haven't paid me yet, but they said they'll just give me my check in the mailbox. So yeah, we'll just head down this road here and get home. Yeah. 52 kilometers per hour. Now I'm glad that they actually do kilometers per hour, because where I live, like, we go by kilometers, we don't go by miles per hour, which is Canada, in case you didn't know. But 52. So that would actually be a reasonable speed, but that should actually be 80. Like, speed limit would be 80, because on gravel roads and stuff, that's actually 80 kilometers per hour for speed limit down gravel roads. 80 kilometers which would probably be somewhere around 40 maybe miles per hour about. Somebody go Google that after you watch this video, and then you go comment it down below. Because I'm pretty sure 60 miles per hour is highway speed for you Americans out there. Or for you, those of you who go by miles per hour. So yeah. But anyways, I'd like to end the video here. So, if you haven't yet, go hit that subscribe button and the like button there, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.